Hello everyone, in this episode of Screencast we continue speaking about custom instructions, and I'll tell you about a concept that I called custom comments. Custom comments, it's also a way to optimize our work. For example, I do a lot of image generation, and each time I write to ChatGPT, create an image or do an illustration for me or something, I can make it shorter by creating in custom instruction a comment. So I can type something if I start my message with, and here I put my comment, so in this case it's image semicolon, and I write a description. It means that you need to generate an image with following description. And the description will be provided after this comment. So let's see how it works. I say I want an image, a cat sitting on a window. So it's a simple shortcut that you don't need to create, don't need to write the whole phrase, but just write a short even. Can simplify it even more to, for example, img semicolon, and that will do as well. On another one, I do a lot of translations. I learned Dutch, that's why I do a lot of translation to Dutch. And for me, it would be convenient to create such a comment. We can keep the beginning if I start my message with, and for example, NL semicolon. It means I want to translate in Dutch and I need to give ChatGPT correct instructions. It means that you need to translate the following text into Dutch. Here we are, one more instruction that I can use. Let's make it a bit longer. And without extra words, I translated it into Dutch. One more example of comment. I travel a lot, and sometimes I use ChatGPT to create itinerary for me. And I also can create a comment, like we can use the same pattern here, and the comment will be travel. And I'll put not only comments, but also parameters. It's possible to use parameters like with % sign. So travel from to. And instructions for ChatGPT, write an IT for my, or we can say for me or for my family. If you provided more information about your family and preferences of your family, it's even better, it will use this information. My family trip. Let's see how it works. I use command travel, and I'm traveling from Amsterdam to Istanbul. And it immediately understands that I'm looking for itinerary, and here's an itinerary for the trip. Obviously, you would ask, is it possible not to duplicate this pattern each time? And yes, of course, you can, instead of all this, especially if you have a lot of comments, you can just create such structure. What I did, you say, consider the following comments. And after that, you can create a lot of different comments. some of them that were already presented, like image, translation, travel. Also, I use grammar check, and here I created a shortcut command check. So basically, I write a comment and provide a text that I need to validate. Also, code, that I want to specify that I'm looking for a snippet of code or some sort of code output. Summarize, actually it could be also even shorter, as semicolon, and after I provide a text and it will give a summary. Also, if you're looking for summary in specific format, for example bullet format, you can also add here additional comments how you like your summary to be each time. Also, with one letter, the weather forecast, because I already provided in my custom GPT instruction what's my location, it will know specifically what weather I'm looking for, or I will specify the city or location. Also, if you are interested in each time in specific weather, you can also add the descriptions here. And also, as I said, I learned Dutch. That's why from time to time it's convenient to practice, and we will create a separate video how you can practice all the techniques, how you can practice with ChatGPT when you learn foreign language, and that's also a common shortcut for it. So all these comments will be provided in description below the video, but take into account that all these comments are based on your personal experience. You need to think what you use the most from ChatGPT routines, and after create a comment that will simplify life for you. Thank you for watching.